Welcome to the Blue Team series video on digital forensics. When a cyber attack happens, we must answer critical questions like what occurred and what data was compromised. Digital forensics is the discipline that uncovers these answers by analyzing digital evidence. Digital forensics is the process of collecting, preserving, analyzing, and interpreting digital evidence to reconstruct attacker activity. Investigators examine hard drives, memory, logs, network traffic, and system artifacts to discover historical evidence, attack timelines, and hidden attacker behavior. Disk forensics is a core discipline, analyzing storage devices to uncover malware, deleted data, and attacker activity. This includes deleted file recovery, persistence detection through startup items and registry keys, and file system analysis to reveal the full scope of a compromise. Memory forensics analyzes volatile RAM, essential because modern attacks often operate entirely in memory. It helps identify running malware and injected code, extract encryption keys and credentials, and detect fileless and in-memory payloads like PowerShell abuse. Artifacts are traces of activity left behind. Analyzing browser and login records reveals reconnaissance. Windows registry and prefetch files expose persistence mechanisms. Event logs and shell history reconstruct attacker commands. Scheduled tasks are also examined for attacker persistence. Timeline reconstruction rebuilds the sequence of events during an incident by correlating various digital evidence. The process involves collecting timestamps and logs, correlating events across systems to reconstruct the attack sequence, and then reporting the scope and impact. Proper evidence handling is crucial for legal and operational integrity. You must collect evidence carefully using validated tools and preserve integrity through hash validation. Maintaining a strict chain of custody and securing storage are vital for legal admissibility. Modern attackers use anti-forensic techniques to evade analysis, such as log deletion, payload encryption, and system wiping. Strong logging, monitoring, and evidence preservation are essential countermeasures to build resilient investigations. Digital forensics impacts several areas of cybersecurity. It drives incident response decisions, supports threat hunting by uncovering hidden threats, aids in ransomware response, and extends to cloud environments and insider threat investigations. The investigative mindset uses disk forensics, memory forensics, artifact analysis, timeline reconstruction, and evidence handling to build stronger defenses. Up next, we'll cover malware analysis fundamentals and how analysts safely investigate malicious software.